What if I told you one of the most powerful countries in the world is quietly pulling $200 billion worth of gold out of foreign vaults? No announcement, no breaking news alerts, just silent movement. Germany is bringing its gold home. And experts say, this is not just about gold. This is about trust, power, and the future of money itself. Tonight, you will discover why Germany wants its gold back, who is holding it, what happens if other countries follow, and how this could change the global financial system forever. This is the beginning of the global gold run. What is happening right now? Germany holds one of the largest gold reserves on Earth. For decades, much of this gold was stored outside Germany, mainly in New York, London, and Paris. Why? Because after World War II, the world trusted the US dollar, and the US Federal Reserve became the guardian of global gold. But now, Germany is reversing that decision. Over 1,200 tons of gold, worth more than $200 billion, is being demanded back. Why now? Because the world is changing. History of gold and power. Gold has never been just metal. For thousands of years, gold has decided who rules and who follows. Empires rose with gold. Empires collapsed without it. Even today, every currency, every economy, every government is built on confidence. And when confidence falls, countries run back to gold. Germany understands this better than anyone. They've lived through hyperinflation, currency collapse, economic humiliation. They know what happens when money fails. The dollar problem. For decades, the US dollar ruled the world. Oil, dollars. Trade, dollars. Debt, dollars. But now cracks are forming. Massive money printing, rising inflation, growing national debt, weaponization of currencies. Countries are asking one question. Backhand index pointing right. What if the dollar loses trust? Germany doesn't want to find out the hard way. So they want real assets. Assets they can touch. Assets they control. Gold. Where was Germany's gold kept? Most people don't know this. Germany's gold was stored in Federal Reserve Bank of New York, Bank of England, Banque de France. Why store it abroad? Because during the Cold War, Germany feared invasion. Foreign vaults were safer. But today, Germany is stable. Germany is powerful. Germany wants control. And control starts with gold. The real fear. Here's the uncomfortable question. Backhand index pointing right. What if the gold isn't really there? Over the years, audits have been limited. Transfers delayed. Questions ignored. Germany asked for its gold back. And it took years, not days. That raised eyebrows worldwide. If Germany doesn't fully trust the system, why should anyone else? What if other countries follow? Germany is not alone. Countries already moving toward gold. China, Russia, Turkey, India, Saudi Arabia. If all demand their gold back at once, gold prices could explode. Paper currencies could weaken. Global markets could panic. This is why experts call it a silent financial earthquake. Gold versus paper money. Paper money depends on trust. Gold does not. You can't print gold. You can't fake scarcity. You can't erase value with inflation. That's why during wars, crashes, debt crises, gold survives. Germany knows this, and they are preparing quietly. What does this mean for normal people? You might be thinking, how does this affect me? Here's how. Inflation may rise. Savings lose value. Currency volatility increases. Gold and hard assets gain demand. This doesn't mean panic. It means awareness. Smart money watches what governments do, not what they say. Are we entering a new financial era? Some experts believe we are slowly moving toward a multipolar financial world. Less dollar dominance, more asset-backed systems, more gold-based security. Germany's move may be remembered as the first domino. Final thoughts and warning. History doesn't repeat, but it rhymes. Every time trust in money falls, gold rises. Germany isn't predicting collapse. They're preparing for uncertainty. And in today's world, uncertainty is everywhere. The gold run has begun.
If you want more deep, hidden stories about money, power, and global finance, Backhand Index Pointing Right, subscribe now. Backhand Index Pointing Right, comment your thoughts.